Hey everybody, Nicolas from Ethyca here. Today I'm going to show you how to go from zero to data subject request and consent in just a few easy steps. Here at Ethyca, we have a platform called Fides, which is open source and free, and you have the ability to fulfill your data subject requests and privacy requirements in just a few minutes. Today we're going to walk through installing Ethyca Fides through pip, deploying it via Docker, and then ultimately we're going to take it for a test drive. Let me show you how easy it is and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is type in pip install ethica-fides, just like you see on my screensaver right in front of me. At this point, what's going to happen is my terminal is going to reach out to the internet and download all the dependencies needed to deploy Fides. The next step that we're going to run is Fides deploy up. And what this is going to do is wrap Docker to fire up a series of containers to show what a production environment could look like, however it's running locally. Now, this takes about a minute. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and I'll get back to you by the time it's done. But in just 2 easy steps, we're getting this up and running. Hey everyone, I'm back now and just want to show that it actually completed in 37.5 seconds. So I was able to build privacy in under a minute. And let's go ahead and walk through the platform to show what it can do. So once you fire up this POC in a box, what you're going to get is our launch page, which gives you the ability to go to our web server, our sample project called Cookie House, which is kind of like a sample e-commerce application, as well as our privacy center. But let's go ahead and simulate our e-commerce application and go through and buy a cookie. Now, one of my favorite cookies is the chocolate chip cookie, and I'm going to go ahead and press purchase. And I'm going to fill out my information. Now, notice as I'm filling out my information, this company is going to have not just my first and last name, but also things like my address and my email as well. And we'll go ahead and press purchase. Now, let's say, for example, I want to go and use my basic fundamental human right of privacy and say, tell me the data that you have on me. What I'll do is I'll click on the bottom of that screen and go to our privacy center by clicking do not sell our information. And from here, you can see that we have the ability to completely customize the look and feel of this platform to match the brand that you have. So in this case, Cookie House sells cookies online, but you even have the ability of posting this online and making it seamless to your end user by having a domain such as privacy.cookiehouse.com, for example. But anyways, let's go ahead and walk through how this works and make fulfillment. So first thing I'm going to do is press access my data. And this is saying, hey, Cookie House, tell me the data you have on me. So I'll go ahead and fill out my information, such as my name and email. And what would happen in a production environment is they would get some sort of code to verify who they are. So think of it almost like MFA, where you get like a message. And I would type in the code here. Since this is a demo, we're going to skip that step. And what this is going to do is put this privacy request for our Fides admin to go ahead and approve or deny. At the same time, while I'm here, I could even go in and manage my consent options. So I'll type in my email, nicolas@ethica.com, and we'll make them verify their identity in a production environment. Now, from here, I have the ability to quickly turn on and off data sales and sharing, email marketing, product analytics. And the best part is since all of this is open source, you could customize this to be a tailor fit for your environment. Let's go and walk through the admin experience where I'll log in using the credentials Fides test and a password 1, my super secret password that was on my other screen. Once we're on our admin dashboard, you can see that this was set up to comply with California privacy statutes. And essentially what you can see here is that we have 45 days to fulfill this privacy request. We make it as simple as pressing approve and deny. So I'll go ahead and press approve. And what's happening under the hood is Fides is going to all the different systems that's mapped to your environment and looking for all data around Nicolas Fry. So in this case, it went through Cookie House's Postgres database, its Mongo database. Maybe we have some third-party tools like Salesforce or HubSpot, things like that. And it's aggregating that all into a single area. Now, at this point, since I don't have email set up in this environment, I'm going to show you what would have been sent in an email. As you can see, we got all the data from Nicolas making his order at Cookie House. We have the address, we have the email, and any other details that I may have filled in throughout my time using that site. One other thing I want to show is that even though we went through database connectors like Mongo and Postgres, Fides offers a variety of different open source, and yes, open source meaning free, connectors that you could get started with today. We have popular things like Redshift, Datadog, Snowflake. All these are 100% free, and you can go ahead and get started pretty easily. But anyways, it was nice talking to everyone here. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Slack channel, and we look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day.